Right now we out here at the Riverwalk. We just left the Tigers game. We're excited because the Tigers had 3 walks. They won. Now we're fixing to walk to the Riverwalk.
You about to go to the park, so you'll take you back with the little girls.
So we out here. We represent our Tigers. We representing our Tigers on. Look, security got security.
All you gotta do is listen to Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars. I'm about to cook. Oh, no.
I wonder if my daddy can handle this whole Riverwalk. No, I ain't scared of no dog. They owners better get their dogs under control. Over there, we're looking at Canada, y'all. Sorry, we didn't mean for y'all team to lose today. Better luck next time when you come to play the Tigers. This is the best part. And this is my hanging spot.
Where do you get your heart broken?
Damn. We on the wrong side of the fence.
Oh yeah, the side where we don't drown.
Girl, he ain't doing shit, but he's trying to tease you.
That ain't the same one. That's a different guy. Let me go flirting on Instagram.